South Africa's return to the world's biggest football stage has drawn praise from across the continent, with former Wydad Casablanca technical director Alan Fries commending Bafana Bafana's qualification for the 2026 FIFA World Cup and urging coach Hugo Broos to ensure veteran Themba Zwane features in the final squad. And said for the first time in 16 years, Bafana Bafana will compete among football's elite when the global showpiece kicks off in the USA, Mexico, and Canada. Broos's men sealed qualification from the tricky group that included Nigeria, Benin, and Rwanda, a feat that reignited national pride and optimism for South African football. And said Bafana Bafana made us proud, and I'm still happy about that. The credit goes to both the coach and the players. The coach created a good mix of talent. Fries, who also previously coached Platinum Stars, warned that maintaining form and fitness will be key as the World Cup approaches, and said challenges will arise. Players could lose form or suffer injuries and suspensions that could impact the World Cup squad, so it's crucial to manage those risks early. The veteran coach emphasized the importance of consistent game time at a club level, noting that players who are inactive risk losing sharpness before the tournament. Fries singled out Mamelodi Sundowns captain Themba Zwane as a vital figure for Bafana Bafana's World Cup campaign, and said it's very important to get a player like Mshishi ready for the World Cup. If he can be included, he should be. He's a captain and a leader who can boost the team's morale with his experience. At 36, Zwane remains one of the most technically gifted and composed midfielders in the country. His form for Sundowns has been instrumental in their domestic and continental dominance, and Fries believes the kind of experience could prove invaluable on the global stage. Despite his admiration for Zwane, Fries insists that selection must still hinge on performance and fitness, and said the top priority should be players who are fit and performing well. They need to be playing regularly for their clubs to maintain their fitness, and they must avoid injuries at all costs. As South Africa prepares to re-enter football's grandest arena, Fries' message is clear: blend youth with experience, reward form, and protect the team's chemistry, the very formula that ended Bafana Bafana's long absence from the World Cup. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.